Interest rates play a crucial role in shaping real estate values, influencing the decisions of buyers, sellers, and investors alike. When interest rates change, they directly affect the cost of borrowing money, which in turn impacts how much people can afford to pay for homes and properties. For buyers, lower rates often mean more purchasing power, while higher rates can limit affordability. Sellers may see increased demand when rates are low, potentially driving up property values. Investors closely monitor these trends, as shifts in interest rates can signal changes in market opportunities and risks. Interest rates play a crucial role in shaping economic activity, and their levels are carefully managed by central banks. Central banks, such as the Federal Reserve in the United States, set key policy rates that influence the cost of borrowing and the return on savings throughout the economy. These decisions are guided by a range of economic indicators, including inflation, employment figures, and overall economic growth. By adjusting interest rates, central banks aim to maintain price stability and support sustainable economic expansion. The process involves continuous monitoring and analysis to respond effectively to changing economic conditions. Mortgage rates represent the interest charged by lenders on home loans, and they play a significant role in determining the overall cost of buying a house. These rates are closely tied to broader interest rate trends set by central banks and financial markets. When central banks raise or lower benchmark interest rates, mortgage rates typically follow suit, either increasing or decreasing accordingly. This connection means that shifts in the wider economy can directly affect how much homeowners pay each month. Understanding this relationship helps borrowers anticipate changes in their mortgage expenses based on economic conditions. When interest rates rise, the cost of borrowing money to purchase a home also increases. This means that monthly mortgage payments become more expensive for home buyers, even if the price of the house stays the same. As a result, some buyers may find it harder to afford the homes they want, leading to reduced purchasing power. Higher borrowing costs can also dampen overall demand in the housing market, as fewer people are able or willing to take on new mortgages. Lower interest rates play a significant role in stimulating demand within the real estate market. When borrowing costs decrease, monthly mortgage payments become more affordable, allowing more individuals and families to consider purchasing homes. This increased affordability often leads to a surge in buyer activity, as people are more inclined to invest in property. Additionally, lower rates can make real estate a more attractive option compared to other investments, further boosting demand. As a result, the overall market tends to experience heightened activity and growth during periods of reduced interest rates. Interest rates play a significant role in shaping buyer demand within the housing market. When interest rates rise, borrowing becomes more expensive, often leading to a decrease in the number of potential home buyers. This reduced demand can put downward pressure on home prices and slow overall market activity. Conversely, when interest rates fall, more buyers may enter the market, increasing competition and potentially driving prices higher. These shifts highlight the close connection between financial conditions and the dynamics of real estate markets. Interest rates play a significant role in shaping the decisions of real estate investors. When interest rates rise, borrowing costs increase, which can make financing new property purchases more expensive. This, in turn, can reduce overall returns on rental properties, as higher mortgage payments eat into profits. Conversely, lower interest rates often encourage investment by making loans more affordable and improving cash flow. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for investors aiming to maximize their returns and manage risk effectively. Commercial real estate values are closely tied to changes in interest rates, primarily through their impact on capitalization rates or cap rates. When interest rates rise, borrowing costs increase, often leading to higher cap rates. This typically results in lower property values, as investors demand greater returns to compensate for the higher cost of capital. Conversely, when interest rates fall, cap rates may decrease, supporting higher property valuations. These shifts influence investment yields, as investors continuously assess the balance between risk, return, and the prevailing economic environment. Refinancing plays a significant role in real estate markets, offering homeowners and investors the opportunity to adjust their mortgage terms in response to changing financial conditions. When interest rates decline, many borrowers seek to refinance their loans to secure lower monthly payments or shorten their loan terms. This often leads to a surge in refinancing activity as individuals aim to take advantage of more favorable rates. Conversely, when interest rates rise, refinancing becomes less attractive and activity typically slows. These cycles can influence overall market dynamics, impacting everything from lending institutions to housing affordability. Interest rates play a critical role in shaping new construction and the overall housing supply. When interest rates rise, borrowing costs for developers increase, making it more expensive to finance new projects. This can lead to fewer developments breaking ground, as higher costs may render some projects financially unfeasible. Conversely, lower interest rates can encourage more construction by reducing financing expenses and improving project viability. Ultimately, fluctuations in interest rates directly impact the pace and scale of new housing entering the market. Expectations about future interest rates play a significant role in shaping current real estate decisions. When buyers and investors anticipate that interest rates will rise, they may rush to secure mortgages at existing lower rates, increasing demand and driving up property prices. Conversely, if rates are expected to fall, some may delay purchases in hopes of obtaining better financing terms later. These collective expectations can influence market trends, affecting everything from home sales volume to construction activity. As a result, the real estate market often reacts not just to current rates, but also to predictions about where rates are heading. Throughout history, shifts in interest rates have played a crucial role in shaping real estate markets. For example, during the late 1970s and early 1980s in the United States, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates sharply to combat inflation. This led to a dramatic increase in mortgage rates, which in turn caused a slowdown in home sales and a decline in property values. Conversely, in the early 2000s, lower interest rates made borrowing more affordable, fueling a surge in real estate prices. These case studies highlight how changes in monetary policy can have far-reaching effects on both housing affordability and market dynamics. Rising interest rates can pose significant challenges for both homeowners and real estate investors. As borrowing costs increase, monthly mortgage payments become more expensive, making it harder for potential buyers to afford new homes. This decrease in affordability can lead to reduced demand, which may result in price corrections across the housing market. Investors may also face lower returns as property values stabilize or decline. Understanding these risks is crucial for making informed decisions during periods of economic change. Navigating the real estate market during periods of fluctuating interest rates requires careful planning and adaptability. Buyers may benefit from locking in mortgage rates early or exploring adjustable rate options to manage costs. Sellers should be prepared for shifts in buyer demand, adjusting pricing strategies and highlighting property value to attract interest. Investors can focus on markets with strong rental demand or consider diversifying their portfolios to mitigate risk. Staying informed about economic trends and consulting with financial professionals can help all parties make informed decisions in a changing environment. In summary, interest rates play a crucial role in shaping real estate values. When rates rise, borrowing becomes more expensive, often leading to decreased demand and lower property prices. Conversely, lower interest rates can stimulate buying activity and drive up real estate values. Staying informed about economic trends and interest rate movements helps investors and homeowners make better decisions in a dynamic market. Understanding these connections is essential for navigating the ever-changing landscape of real estate.